Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, Mr. Brighten.
Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, but I'm going to do a mask, and this time we're also going to do the same thing like discoloration, acne, and this should help with like lighten or brighten up your skin or anything like that. Stay tuned, and it's really easy. It's just like 2 simple ingredients: baking soda and water, and maybe like a couple minutes of your time and you'll have radiant skin. So stay tuned.
Ow. It's only right, yeah, that you just come spend the night. Girl, you know it's more than flight. All night love to morning light. Come on now, not much in the sober love. Take the shot and drink it up. Yeah. Girl, you got the special stuff. Yeah. No, I just can't get enough. Whoa. Time to show how sexy you get. You just tell me when you're ready. Can't wait to see you get nasty. I swear, girl, you are my favorite. Time to show how sexy you get. You just tell me when you're ready. Can't wait to see you get nasty. I swear, girl, you are my favorite. Girl, I don't know if I could wait much more for this now. Oh girl, make a nigga wanna sell his soul for this now. Girl, how about we go ahead and get long for this now? Oh girl, tell me when you ready, baby. Yeah, the way you wear it don't drive me insane. But I'd rather get you home, take off our main, show you something with no game. I'm just saying, yeah. Time to show how sexy you get.
Make sure when you rinse off, you don't scrub, you just wipe it, because it is really intense. So just wipe the mask off and don't scrub around. So it should be super pasty, and then after your 15 minutes, I would suggest, if you have sensitive skin, leave it on for a minute and see how it does, and then like next time do it for 15 minutes. But the first time around you shouldn't do it for 15 minutes, just in case you have sensitive skin. But after you left it on, just rinse it off and you're done. And put some moisturizer on your face. So I'll be back.
I swear, girl, you are my